Here is Hank's Storyteller Van by R.G. Mitchell. So let's go. Let me just set my coins down. Alright, here we go. Wait, here we go. Let me just get my coins in. Just getting there. Hold on, guys. All right, here we go. Here we go. Oh dear, the road display is broken. Don't tell me this is mute, please. Oh, another mute ride. Oh, please don't tell me this is mute. The road display doesn't even work. What a pity. Oh, excuse me. That's my coin bag. There's others around me, so be careful. The story bar is even barred up, so that's a pity. Yep, Hank is mute. And notice the flickering. And there's the mini train over there. And that was it. The Mute Hank Storyteller Van by R.G. Mitchell.